All right, hey guys. So I wanted to make sure that I went over at least just like 4 of your 8 questions, just to make sure you have half of it. And also just as a reminder, once you get home, how you're working these out. So when we're looking at this, I'm going to start with factoring the following numbers. We're looking for the smallest number that fits into this number. So because it's an even number, I'm going to try 2. So 2 goes into 36 18 times. So 18 times 2 is 36, right? Okay, well, let's look at it again. What is the smallest number that goes into 18? Well, again, it's an even number, so I'm going to try 2 again. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. And draw my line again. Well, we've run out of even numbers, but I know there's another number that goes into 9, and that's 3. And 3 multiplied by 3 gives me 9. So I've gotten as far as I can with this, and if I was going to go ahead and write this out, I would say 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 squared times 3 squared, right? Or 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Okay, let's look at 54. Again, it's an even number. How about this? I will do the odd numbers. That way we get it's a little bit less easy. So 49. Now, I know for a fact that 49 is not even. So I definitely can't divide it by 2. I don't know that I can divide it by 3. But I do know I could divide it by 7. Right? Because 7 multiplied by 7 gives me 49. And hey, guess what? The way you write that is just 7 multiplied by 7, or 7 to the power of 2. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, let's look at simplifying these expressions down here. So if we're going to simplify this, that means that I've got 5 times 5 times 5. And I need to figure out what the expression actually is in standard form. If you remember your notes, we talked about having expanded form, which is this, having exponent form, which is this, and having standard form, which is actually what the answer would be. So 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is going to give me 125. So that's my answer. Let's look at number 7. 2 to the power of 5. So because we have 2 to the power of 5, that means I've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. And now I gotta multiply them all out. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Sorry, y'all. Times 2 is 16 times 2. And that last 16 times 2 gives me 32. So I know 2 to the 5th power. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. And that's my final answer. All right, you guys, I believe in you. I know you can do it. Make sure you put your name at the top. That is so, so important. And I will see you on Monday. I will not be here tomorrow. Make sure to put this in the drawer. And be nice to the sub, pretty please. All right, love you guys. Bye.